My name is Lonnie Arhigi. I am the collision repair auto body instructor here at the Lorain County JVS. First year here at the JVS, they're going to be learning the structure of the vehicle, which is the frame and unibody. They will concentrate on plastic repair, which is your bumpers, plastic repair of the parts. And the second semester, you'll be into painting and refinishing, which is a lot of paint work. In their senior year, they go to non-structural, which is your bolt-on body parts, doors, fenders, mirrors, glass, that kind of stuff. And the first semester, second semester will be mechanical and electrical. Very similar to other programs, you have to know the mechanical part, which is your drivetrain, brakes, wheels, suspension, and able to put a collision repair back together. So it is more than just doing body work on a car. Opportunities after high school could be anywhere from inside of a dealership to corporate America, doing vehicle inspections via estimating systems, to repairing unibody frames, to painting, to restoration work, and let your mind open with that. There's a billion opportunities that branch out of this program. Post-secondary opportunities would be Tri-C Community College, where they put you into what's called a GM ASAP program and put you actually into a dealership while you are at a post-secondary position. And we also are affiliated with Ohio Technical College, downtown Cleveland, where you can go on with your studies there, and they too will help with employment. For summer internship opportunities, there's various body shops that they can work in, and we also are affiliated with Riddell, which is painting helmets for the NFL, high school and college football teams. The painting on these are the same as you would do on a car or any other vehicle, so they employ a lot of the JVS students. Collision repair is more than just putting a wrecked car back together. I like to refer to it in the old terms of auto body, because you are encompassing everything from a restoration on an antique vehicle to possibly a boat. I've had students working at the airport, working on airplanes. So the skills that you learned here, you would be taking into many different aspects of this. Yeah, I mean, you could go to Ohio Technical College out of here, and they do a custom paint program where they would take you to the next level.
Hi, my name is Paige. I'm in 11th grade. I decided to join collision repair because it's the only lab that made me feel like I wanted to actually be in it, get a really good career in. I hope to join either a dealership or an insurance company and hopefully do something with estimating. This truck right here is a 1955 Ford F100. And I'm working on it. It is my grandpa's truck. We're going to repair it and paint it just about the same yellow color that it is. Right now I'm learning body work, how to straighten out metal, grinding, painting and priming. We've done Bondo work. We've taken this part of the truck, and we've took apart different things that we've done in here. A lot of sanding too. A new potential student should know that you're going to come in here, you're going to get dirty, but it's going to be okay. It's really fun. The teacher teaches you a lot. Mr. Higgie's like a really good teacher, and you make a lot of friends in here.